Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. I had a lot of requests for a Dogecoin update, but I haven't done it for the last couple of days because there isn't really anything to update. I mean, I'm going to update you, but there isn't really a lot of additional stuff here. So again, it remains my view that ideally, yeah, as per this wave structure, for me the most likely outcome here would be a move to the downside. Compared to many other cryptos, it's also a little bit left behind. So it hasn't even broken above the wave 2 high of 11.25 cents. The move up doesn't look impulsive at all. So I did already share with you in a previous video that if we get 5 waves up, it would have to be in a diagonal pattern. At the moment, we don't have 5 waves up unless I count that as a truncation. That again leads to limited reliability. I mean, you could, okay, I mean, we had a little bit of a higher high, but it's not a reliable wave 5. So I wouldn't really want to count it as a wave 5. It could easily be that this wave 4 is still ongoing and we had an A, B, C here. But yeah, it's not a really reliable chart anymore. And therefore, I if I compare different charts with each other, I like to trade charts and, not just projects and fundamentals. So looking at this, I would rather focus on one that is a bit more reliable. Now, saying that, we could still get this 5th wave to the upside as long as we stay above 7.85 cents. Going below that level, would invalidate, because I don't exactly know at the moment if the wave 4 ended here or here. It doesn't make much difference, but it's important, therefore to hold above the 7.85 cent level. As long as that's the case, we can still wait for another 5th wave here to the upside. And if we talk about targets, we could take, to get an orientation, the length of the 3rd wave, go to the low of the 4th. It depends on where it will be, right? But target range would be between, so that level I can't really take because then we get a triple top, but the 10-cent level would be a suitable one, I think, for a 5th wave, the 1-to-1 ratio basically. Oops, didn't want to do that. And if we get 5 waves, then at least we have 5 complete. That doesn't mean we go up, but it means that we have this pattern at least full and we can wait for a retracement. And if the retracement is going to be only in 3 waves and not impulsively, as we've shown it here on the chart, if we come down in a C wave, it would be an impulse and we most likely follow the path lower. But if we come down in 3 waves, then the move up here can be counted as a wave 1. And we would come down in a wave 2, and that would then provide another entry point. So when we start to see a strong retracement, I will share with you key support levels that you could use to scale in if you like to. Always bearing in mind that at some point, unexpectedly, Doge will just make a run. So Doge seems to be good for, it always seems to be good to have some Doge in the portfolio, right? Because it can just run out of nowhere. So always be prepared for that. I don't want anybody to tell me, you missed out on a rally. If you don't hold any Doge, but you like the project, get some. I mean, that's up to you entirely. But, experience has shown us, or history has shown us, that Doge sometimes just starts to run. And when it runs, then it makes massive runs. Okay, then if the dog has found its, if the dog has a good day, then you can get these pumps. And all we need for that is a tweet by Elon. It is what it is, it will shake up the chart. And also this is possible in this count here that we say we had a wave 1 up here, a wave 2, and this is another 1-2 setup. I don't like the pattern at all, but it would then allow us to say that we are now in the 3rd wave, and this here might be a 1st wave of that, okay? So that's sort of still the view, not really any change to the previous video, but still wanted to update you and keep you updated here about Doge. So yeah, hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.